Well, I'm going to continue on with the what I'm making. Not sure what it's going to be as yet. Apologise for the lighting in here, it's very dark this morning. Just check the moisture content on the wood. It's difficult to do it single-handed, but it's coming out between 6.5% and 11% for the moisture content of the wood. What I didn't mention was when you put wet green wood onto a lathe and spin it up, it's a bit like a spin dryer. It tends to push the moisture to the outside, and of course it's the outside you're taking the wood off from, so it gets rid of a lot of the moisture straight away. Well, it's really taking shape now. This is the base, this is the goblet shape. I'm just trying to get in here at the moment, but the wind keeps changing direction. It's making a hell of a mess in the garden. Well, it's certainly coming on now. I put it back in the house. This is how deep I've got it. It's almost a finger deep. And that's, I've thinned the base down a bit because the base looked too chunky. I might go down a bit further. This bit is the bit that gets chopped off, and that's the stem, and the bit in the middle gets chopped off. You can see it's getting narrower and narrower. One of the problems I have, I don't have proper chisels for lathe work, and it's trying to get deep down here, and I've got to about where my thumb is now, so I've got quite a bit of way to go. Moisture's coming out of it. It's between 10 and 14%. If you measure it on the side, it's 10%. If you measure it on the centre, it's 14%. Now, I don't know whether you can see. There's a crack there appearing, just there, and hopefully it won't travel up into the bowl. Fingers crossed. It might do. I don't know. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I really could do with getting it deeper, because if you get it deeper it takes the stress off the wood as it's the moisture's coming out. But actually spinning it up on the lathe actually is a bit like a spin dryer or tumble dryer. It spins it to the outside, and of course that's where you're taking the wood off. Yeah, hopefully it will come on, come into something. Much better it's looking now than what it was before. Now I've took the end off. This was originally on here, so I've now got a base plate, which means I can get at this chunk here removed, and I'm going to do a bit of sanding, I think, before I do anything else, before we'll start having a go at the centre. It's got a couple of few small cracks in it. There's one there, and it's looking pretty good. On a different subject, I made these a few years ago now. This is the Queen. It stands about 1 metre tall, the whole stump, made of ash. And this one's the King. He's got a bit of mould on him now, and that's also made of ash. It took me about a month to make each one of these by hand with a chisel and a mallet. It's probably about 1.5 metres tall, the King. Yeah, I was quite pleased with making that. I'd like to have a go and making some more. It's just getting the wood and getting it home. The guy who used to help me get the wood is now moved out the area, but still, I did like making these. I love making things out of wood. Well, this is it off the lathe. It's not waxed or anything. Got to cut the peg off the bottom. There. It's got a little crack in it. You're squeaking the doors, dear. And we can see there's a little crack just there where the centre of the wood is. I was going to make it dark, but I think it's sort of better natural colour. And it is dark here, funny enough, I don't know why. Yeah. God, you won't believe that. See the crack there, just there, very slightly. And I'll put it in a cool place. And then overnight, and then I'll probably wax it tomorrow.